Magshi-share ako ng day-to-day meals with calories and grams. Hi, I'm Isay, and I started my calorie deficit plus home workout 69 days ago. So, April 30 yung first day ko. At first, wala naman talaga akong balak na i-post or going public tong journey ko kasi nahihiya ako. Kasi hindi talaga ako ma-post na tao. Pero today, I'm deciding to share it with you guys. So as of now, hindi pa ako ready mag-share or magpakita ng transformation ko kasi alam ko marami pa akong kailangang araw or effort para talagang makita yung result na gusto ko. Pero so far, I've been consistent since day one. So as in, kinareer ko talaga siya. So yeah, this is officially day one of showing up online and sharing my day-to-day journey.